Hello and welcome back to today's video. Alright, so we have a jump question here. Alright, so in solving this problem, alright, so we take down our solutions first. So bring back this question here. The question is 25 raised to power x minus 1 equal to 64 into 5 over 2 raised to power 6. And so this is the question here. Right, so let's start from the left hand side. So if you observe very well here, this is an indices, right? This is an indices. So if you observe very well here, there's something common here. There's something common. 5 is inside 25. So if I raise 5 to power 2, I'll get 25. So we want to deduce this. Let's deduce this. If we do that, we'll have 5 raised to power 2, which means 5 times 5. It will give us back 25. And I have my right, so this becomes 5 raised to power 2, right? 5 times 5, that's what it means, which is still 25. I have my x minus 1 here equal to 64. Right, so what this thing means is 5 raised to power 6 over 2 raised to power 6. So let's simplify it. 5 raised to power 6 over 2 raised to power 6. So that's what it means. That's what it means. So from here, we are going to multiply the exponent of 5. So we are going to be having 5 raised to power 2 times x here gives me 2x minus 2 times 1 here gives me what? Minus 2 equal to 64 times 5 raised to power 6 gives me 64 times 5 raised to power 6, right? Over 26. Sorry, over 2 raised to power 6. This is not 26, it's 2 raised to power 6. So this is 2 raised to power 6. 2 raised to power 6. Alright, so this becomes 5 raised to power 2x minus 2 equal to 64 times 5 raised to power 6 over, right? So this becomes 2 raised to power 6, right? 54. So you observe very well, we have 64 here, also have 64 here. So 64 can cancel out 64. So we are left with 5 raised to power 2x minus 2 equal to 5 raised to power 6. Right? 5 raised to power 6. So if you observe very well here, we have the same base. 5 is here, and then we also have 5 here. It means that I can remove 5 and also remove this 5. So we are left with 2x minus 2 equal to 6. Alright, so this becomes a linear equation. This becomes a linear equation. So now this becomes 2x equal to 6, right? Minus 2 crosses changes to plus. Right, so this becomes 2x equal to 6 plus 2 gives you 8. Gives you 8. So if I divide both sides by 2, here becomes 2, here becomes 2. So this goes. So I have x to be equal to 8 over 2 gives you 4. So the value of x is 4, which is option B. So the correct answer for this question is 4, which is option B. Alright? So see you in the next video.